Question number 2, exercise 14.2. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Lifetime and hours is given very clearly. You can see the table. Yes, you can see that. Now determine the model lifetimes of the components. Okay. That means we need to find the mode, model lifetimes, the mode. The question is given lifetimes in hours and frequency is given. What is the maximum frequency or the highest frequency? You can see now the highest frequency becomes 61. That is the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency is 61. The maximum frequency is 61. If the maximum frequency is 61, see now among these all, these are highest maximum frequency. Then this is the model class, right? The class which is having the maximum frequency is called model class. So this is the model class, okay? Therefore, model class. Model class is so 6280. 6280. L means the lower limit of the model class. We know the mode formula. What is the mode formula? You know, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, width of the class interval. Okay, now L means what? The lower limit of the model class. This is a model class. Model class becomes 6080. L is a lower limit. This is a lower limit L. F1 is what is that? F1 is the frequency of the model class. The frequency of the model class. Model class laga. This is a model class. Like frequency is 61. It is F1. F0 is the frequency just preceding the model class. Model class like a frequency just before. F2 become succeeding the model class. I mean next to that. This one. Okay. Model class is one. Next to that. The frequency succeeding the model class F2. Now the width of the class interval. You know H is equal to how much that? See that. Therefore, L is equal to, we'll write here. So come here. Then L is how much? L is equal to, I'll write the formula again to you. Therefore, L is equal to lower limit. The lower limit is becomes 60. And F1 is a frequency. It is 61. F0 it is 52 and F2 it is 38 and the width of the class interval, H is the width of the class interval, lower limit minus upper limit 20 minus 0 or 40 minus 20, you can minus 20 minus 0, it is 20. Therefore mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, L we know 60 plus F1 61 F0 52 by 2 times of 61 because 2F1 minus F0 is become 52 minus F2 is 38 into the width of the class interval is 20. Okay, let's simplify. Now 60 plus 61 minus 52, it is 9. 61 minus 52 is 9. 2 61s are 122 minus 52 minus 38 minus 90. Add together into 20. Okay, now 60 plus 9 by 122 minus 90, it is 32 into 20. So 4 8s are 32, 4 5s are 20. That's all, no more cutting. So 60 plus 9 5s are 45 divided by 8. You can take LCM you want. 8 is LCM. 8 6 are 48. 480 plus 45. Okay. All together it is coming 525 divided by 8. So okay, 525 divided by 8, you will be getting the result. 525 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. Then 445, 8 5s are 40, then 5 wood point adding 0. Okay, Okay, 8 6 are 48 and 2 20, 8 2s are 16, 4 40, 8 5s are 40. So it is getting into 65.621 or 625. Okay, these hours. So the model lifetime is equal to, it is coming 65.625, or okay, you can write as it is also 65 hours. I hope you understand. Plus the calculation, you know how to select it, the F1, F0, F2 and all, you know. Then model class is the maximum frequency is 61. So model class we know, F1 we know, F0, F2. Then as the width of the class interval, the 20 minus 0, after that you can apply the formula. You will be getting the result. Okay, bye. Next question.